Welcome, friends, to All About Animals, and today we're going to be learning all about gorillas. Gorillas are found in jungles and forests. They live in sub-Saharan Africa in places like the Congo, Gabon, Guinea, Cameroon, Rwanda, and Uganda. They're actually split into two groups, Western and Eastern gorillas. Pretty interesting. They get split by the jungle. It's kind of cool. Let's talk about what they eat and what eats them. Well, they eat a lot of different stuff. Usually they're herbivores, but to be truthful, I've read some different things saying that sometimes they're omnivores based on where they live and what food is available. So they usually eat leaves, shoots, roots, vines, and fruits. That rhymed a lot almost. And sometimes they eat grubs and other small types of insects based on availability. Nothing really eats them. They don't have any natural predators. However, occasionally, very occasionally, leopards will be able to take down a small child gorilla, like a baby or a young adolescent. And humans have been known to, unfortunately, encroach on gorillas' habitat, driving them further north. And occasionally, humans will, unfortunately, take them down. Let's talk about how they look. Well, first they have a lifespan of 35 to 50 years, which is a pretty long time. They stand at a size of 4.5 to 6.5 feet tall, size of humans, and they can weigh between 300 and 590 pounds. Their color is black with some silver or gray hair. That's where the term silverback, the adult male gorilla, comes from. They do have some interesting features like adaptations, and they have opposable thumbs like humans, and those opposable thumbs help them gather plants to eat and make tools and things of that nature. And they have very large arm muscles for climbing trees, and they walk on their knuckles, and they use those arms for their defense, to stand up for themselves, to battle each other and fight off other threats. Troops of gorillas are protected by a silverback, who are the dominant males of the group. Let's talk about my favorite part of this video series, the 5 fascinating facts that I find fascinating. Humans share around 98% of our DNA with gorillas, so we're actually very similar to gorillas, and things that affect them also affect us, like colds and things like that. Gorillas spend a lot of time moving around their habitat in family groups known as troops. Each troop can contain up to 30 gorillas. It has a silverback, a male, some females, and some adolescents and children. Gorillas are very clever and have been recorded making and using tools. They actually use almost like sticks for ladders and, to help the small gorillas climb up trees, and they can use a stick to see how deep water is. Like if they want to cross a river or path. They also can use a stick to kind of act as almost like a spoon to pick up things like grubs and plants and things with it. So that's really clever and interesting. A captive gorilla called Coco learned sign language. Over her lifetime, she learned over 1,000 signs and was able to understand more than 2,000 English words. Very impressive, Coco. I don't really know any signs, so I'm pretty jealous of this gorilla. And finally, gorillas' nose prints, so if you look at their nose, are as unique as a human's fingerprint. So humans, every human has fingerprints, and they're all unique, completely made for that one person. Same thing with the nose on gorillas. So scientists can tell a gorilla based on its nose and if it has any other scars. Well, I hope you really enjoyed learning more about gorillas with me. Thank you so much for your time today, friends. If you have any animals you'd like to learn all about, please leave them in the comments section, and I will surely make a video for you to enjoy. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.